Point of sale tutorial. Anshim. Set up, add products, and close a register. Welcome to Katylinks. In this lesson, we'll explore how to set up and use the point of sale system in Odoo 19 step by step. Odoo's point of sale app is a fast, reliable, and integrated sales system that connects directly with your inventory and accounting modules. Whether you're running a retail store, cafe, or boutique, it lets you sell products, manage stock, track payments, and close sessions, all in real time. What is point of sale in Odoo? Point of sale, POS, is Odoo's retail sales module. It allows you to sell products in person through a tablet, desktop, or even a connected barcode scanner while staying synced with your main inventory and accounting database. Why use it? POS helps eliminate manual sales tracking, reduces errors, and updates inventory automatically. You can also link it to payment methods, manage cash flow, and get real-time performance reports. Who is it for? Retailers, restaurants, spas, supermarkets, salons, or any business with a physical selling point that needs to track both cash and product movement. Where is it configured? In the point of sale app, connected to inventory, sales, and accounting. When should you enable it? As soon as you start selling in person and want all transactions, payments, and inventory updates captured automatically. How will we do it? In this video, we'll 1. Enable the POS app and configure a session. 2. Add and categorize products for retail use. 3. Launch a POS session and record sales. 4. Close the register and review session reports. Let's dive in. Enable and configure the POS app. From your Odoo main dashboard, click Apps and search for Point of Sale. Click Install. Once installed, open the Point of Sale module from the home screen. You'll see a default Point of Sale shop already created. Click Configuration, Point of Sale, Shop, or create a new one. Under Settings, review key options. Interface, customize your POS screen. Inventory, make sure Update Stock on Hand is enabled. Payments, add payment methods like cash, bank, or credit card. Invoicing, check Allow Invoices if you want printed receipts linked to customers. Accounting, link your POS to the right journal, usually Sales Journal. Click Save. Tip, you can have multiple POS sessions, for example, one for your storefront and another for your cafe counter. Step 2, add products to sell. Now let's add products for your POS. Go to Point of Sale, Products, click Create, enter product name, e.g. iced coffee, garden toolkit, or gift voucher. Product type, storable product for physical goods, or service for non-stock items. Sales price, enter your retail price. Cost, optional but helps track profit margins. Product category, assign a group like beverages, tools, or accessories. Scroll to the Point of Sale tab and check Available in POS. If you want barcode scanning, enter a barcode number. Click Save. Repeat this for all your retail items or use Import if you have a CSV list. When you add products this way, Odoo automatically links them with your inventory app, so every sale adjusts stock in real time. Step 3. Configure payment methods. Go to Point of Sale, Configuration, Payment Methods, Create. For example, name, Cash Journal is cash payment, enabled. Then create another for credit card or bank transfer. Each payment method posts transactions to the correct account automatically during register closing. Tip, you can also integrate with payment terminals using IoT boxes if available. Step 4. Start a POS session. Now open Point of Sale, Dashboard, Shop, New Session. Click Open Session. You'll now enter the POS interface. From here, you can browse your products by category, add them to the order by clicking their images, adjust quantities or apply discounts, add a customer if needed for invoicing. When ready, click Payment, choose the payment method, cash, credit card, or bank. Click Validate. A receipt appears. You can print or email it. Inventory and accounting update automatically in the background. Step 5. Close and validate the register. At the end of the day or shift, click Close Session in the POS interface. Confirm that all orders have been validated. Odoo will open a summary view with total sales, cash in out, payment method breakdown, and closing balance. If the cash in drawer matches the expected balance, click Validate Closing and Post Entries. Odoo automatically closes the session, posts all sales to your sales journal, updates inventory levels, and records cash movements in accounting. Tip: you can review all sessions under Point of Sale, Orders, Sessions, or generate reports under Reporting, POS Sales Summary. Step 6. Review reports and sales data. From the POS dashboard, click Reporting, Orders. Here you'll see detailed analytics for daily sales, top-selling products, average order value, payment breakdowns, and employee performance if using multi-user POS. You can export data to Excel or view real-time dashboards for quick decision-making.
And that's how you set up and use Odoo 19 Point of Sale, from enabling the app to selling products and closing the register. Let's recap what we covered. Installed and configured the POS module. Added products and categorized them for quick selling. Configured payment methods and linked them to journals. Processed live sales transactions. Closed and validated a session. Reviewed POS reports and cash summaries. Odoo's Point of Sale integrates seamlessly with inventory, accounting, and CRM, so every sale you make instantly updates your business data. If you'd like help customizing your POS screens, integrating with hardware, or setting up multi-branch systems, visit Katylinks.com. Our team helps businesses build efficient, automated retail systems in Odoo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on Odoo 19, covering inventory, accounting, e-commerce, and AI automation. See you in the next video.